In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add headers and footers in Google Docs, step by step. Headers and footers are those consistent bits of information that appear at the top or bottom of every page, perfect for a document title, your name, the date, or any small detail you want to repeat automatically. Let's walk through it together so you can set them up cleanly and quickly. First, open your document. Head over to Google Docs in your browser and open the file you want to edit. You can use an existing document or create a new one. Either way works. Next, go to the Insert menu. Look at the top of your screen for the toolbar, click Insert, and you'll see a long list of options drop down. From there, choose whether you want a header at the top of the page or a footer at the bottom. Click Header to place content above the main text area, or click Footer if you'd like it tucked neatly below your content. Once the header or footer space appears, type in the content you want. This could be your document title, your name, a course or project name, or the date. Keep it short and consistent so it doesn't distract from your main content. If you ever change your mind, you can simply delete or edit the text right there. You can also format your header or footer to match your document's style. Use the toolbar to adjust the font, size, color, alignment, or style. Bold for emphasis, italics for a subtitle, or center alignment for a clean, professional look. Keeping the header or footer slightly smaller than your body text often makes the layout feel balanced and easy to read. Here's a quick method if you prefer shortcuts. You can double-click the very top margin of the page to jump straight into the header, or double-click the very bottom margin to open the footer. This is a fast way to edit without going through the Insert menu. When you're finished, exit the editing area by clicking anywhere in the main body of your document or by pressing the Escape key. That closes the header or footer field and brings you back to your regular text. A helpful tip to remember, headers and footers automatically repeat on every page, so you only need to set them once. That's the beauty of using them. Your document stays consistent from start to finish with minimal effort. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.